Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about 2-in-1 notebook PC from HP, that is HP Elite Folio. So it is a 13.5 inch 2-in-1 notebook PC which is recently announced by HP, and it is for the purpose of business individuals, those who wants to take the advantage of both the notebook, laptop and PC, at the same time also want to do touch work like tablets. So this is a very important device for those guys who travel a lot, and it has many features. So we will discuss one by one what are its feature and should you go for it. So before starting the video, I would like to urge that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and also view my other videos. I make many videos regarding technology and consumer devices. So here we go. So we are with the HP official website. In this website we are going to discuss what is HP Elite Folio's specification and what are its features. So it is a device built for the way you do business like no other. So basically generally we use laptop and touch screen. There are many foldable laptops and touch screens available. So there are many 2-in-1 laptops available from HP also, in which it will be 360-degree rotate and become a tablet, and in the back side there will be keyboard. But here there is something different. So let's talk about the design first. And what is the design? So basically is it designed to adapt to your mobile work style. So however you use, you will be able to use the design. So you can take it in and convert it into a tank mode or tent mode, or any kind of mode is available. So this is how it looks like. So it can be converted into different modes according to your requirement. It can be a standard laptop, it can be 360 degree folded, also it can be tilted like this. So according to your requirement you can actually shape it to your needs, and this is very cool device. Now in the back side of it there is a finish, a matte finish, and there is not a material like usually we have. So it will give you a good grip, and it looks like a folio. So just like portfolio, that is the nomenclature came from, that is folio. So it is really good, and it is world's first pull forward business convertible PC. So basically it is built for professionals who are always on the move, seamlessly transitioning from location to location. So while you are sitting in a airplane and you want to use the tablet functionality of a laptop, you can just pull it out and just convert it accordingly. Also while you are traveling, you're driving or sitting in a car, you can just convert the side of it. You can actually be on a meeting with and do whatever your requirement, and it's a very cool technology. It looks really nice and sleek, and it's very slim, it's not very thick. So this is what cool feature, and actually it rests on its own, so you don't have to worry about it. The device is very sturdy, and it is a perfect device for wherever work takes you. So like you are creating, you are a kind of a creator. So let's see, it has touch screen and it comes with their own pen. So it has natural sketching, editing, markups, and it can instant inking with HP Elite Slim Active Pen. So it is supported with it, and it is always ready, always charged, because when you dock it into your HP device, it will be charging from the device itself, and it is sync and edit photos between devices using HP Quick Drop, and you can collaborate. So basically you can do video calls, and a world facing second mic filter out noise. So there are 4 speakers which will produce high quality sound, and it has HP privacy camera to preserve your privacy. So physically you can actually close the lid of the camera, so you can be assured that your camera will never be used. So any virus or any kind of malware will not be able to activate the camera, because the shutter will be closed by yourself. So this is something which will give you assurance. And also if you are a consumer, so let's see what the features are. So it has an optional 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. So basically you can customize the laptop according to the requirement, and accordingly the price will vary. But the features that are available I'm talking right now. So it has crisp and clear media consumption with audio by Bang & Olufsen. So B&O is a very good brand, and HP have already collaborated with it earlier, and it produces really nice sound. So you will see and you will listen to crisp and clear media, and it will be fast charging supported. So it can recharge 90% in just 90 minutes. So this is really nice. It will have a lot of less timing for recharging. And now let's talk about the build quality. So it has sustainable materials. So it has pull forward design, a soft folio inspired exterior, and which wraps the PC, and enclosure is made from 90% recycled magnesium by weight. So it's very lightweight laptop, and it has one immersive yet private experience. So basically it has optimized viewing experience of the 3:2 aspect ratio display with features designed to protect your privacy. So it has 88.3% screen to body ratio for better web browsing and ranking. This is really nice because screen to body ratio, the maximum it is, the better will be, and will be no distraction. Now it has one feature which is scroll less. So near edge to edge 3:2 touch display optimized for split screen mode, so you can actually split your screen accordingly and can open many tabs and many windows for it. And it has the privacy, so sure view reflect. Now this technology is really nice because it helps keep confidential information from others view. So if you are not sitting in front of the laptop, then any person which is sitting side by yourself or adjacent to you will see nothing while you are working on the laptop. So it will keep your privacy sure. And now this is the modes which you can use. So this is the all closed mode. When it's closed, it will be like this. When you use at a normal laptop, it will be like this. When you use at a tablet, it can use like this, and it can be folded to 360 degree, and not exactly it is 360 degree, but it can be rested on it. So this is one of the most cool feature, and this is the why it is such a nice device. It looks really nice and premium, and also it will be really nice for you to work around. Now if you are taking notes, you can just keep it in your hands like this, and you will ready to go. So it connect to the world around you from almost anywhere. It has 8 optional 5G powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX processor and up to 24.5 hours of video playback. So connectivity will not never be an issue in this, and these are some of the accessories that you can use. So business sleeve is for those people who want to put their laptop in this. So it's a very nice feature. And also now let's talk about some of the specifications. For that I have already opened the website of HP, and here you will see the specification one by one. So you will see what are the exact specification of this device. So it has HP datasheet. So it is 13.5 inch 2-in-1 notebook PC datasheet. So it supports Windows 10 and it will be upgraded to Windows 11. Processor family will be Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and it supports Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX Generation 2 5G up to 3 GHz burst frequency and 4 MB L3 cache with 8 cores. Graphic cards is also included, and it is Qualcomm Adreno G690 graphic card. It supports LPDDR4 16 GB RAM, and which has 4266 megahertz speed, which is onboard, so it cannot be upgraded in further. So internal drive talk about, it supports NVMe TLC SSD, which is 256 GB, and it does not have any optical drive. Now let's talk about the display. So it has 13.5 inch diagonal WUXGA plus 1920 x 1280 touch IPS anti-glare 1000 nits display with 72% NTSC HP SureView integrated privacy screen, and it has external input output ports. So 2 super speed USB type C 5 Gbps signaling rate, and it has one headphone and microphone combo. Now it has one nano SIM expansion slot. Also it has Bang & Olufsen quad stereo speakers, and which has dual array microphones, and webcam is 720p HD IR privacy camera. Keyboard is spill resistant full side backlit keyboard. This is really nice. It has pointing device like clickpad with multi-touch gesture support, tabs enabled as default. Now wireless, it supports Atheros 800 2.11. Wi-Fi X is also supported. So ABG and AC 2x2 Wi-Fi. So here it does not support Wi-Fi 6, but there is one variant that does, and it has Bluetooth 5 combo. Wireless technology, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon X20 LTE Cat 16. So it is really nice because it supports Cat 16 WAN. Power supply 65 watt USB type C adapter. Battery is 4 cell 46 watt lithium ion battery. It has fingerprint reader, and the weight is around 2.92 lb. So in the box you will get HP Elite Folio 13.5 inch 2-in-1 notebook PC stylus. So that's it from our side, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are the features that are available in this, and if I get my hands on, I will definitely make an unboxing and other features video. Thank you for staying in. I'll be see you next time. Bye.